Guys, what's up with a new video? And we're going to be playing pilot training again. But said the is not so our ATC is not using voice chat, but I'm going to take off and then I'm going to get back to you guys. So let's start pushing. Pass. Well, I'm going to do this in fast mode. ATC is like, bro. Sorry, tower. I always forgotten. Good, bro. Nah, I always forgotten. Good. Nah, I never forget. Bro is crazy. I'm a little lagging. It takes very long, but as you saw in the link description, so the description, we're going to do the impossible with the 747. We're going to land at the smallest airports. Please take off from runway 7C. Is he really sending me to 7C? Makes sense, I'm big plane. I'm going on my camera mode so I can do this. Okay. Actually, but I'm in a Dragon 2. Actually. Pitalito. We're going to stop pushback in 1, 2, and 3. Off pushback. We're going to start taxiing. Bro, get out. Flight 1430, take off from runway 7C. I'm taking off from runway 7C. I'm stuttering, bruh. I'm so stuttering. Nah, wait, I'm coming back. Okay, I'm back. I'm taking off from runway 7C. And he has to take off from runway 7C. My name behind me. MG behind me, bro. What is this guy saying? In air. Welcome to In Air Airlines, where you get to fly in the air. An airplane that is going to the air makes 0 sense. I'm being like, bro, what kind of ATC is in this game? I joined my friend. Wait, I don't know if he's in the game, but we're going to do a medium takeoff. But the landing is going to be better. ATC said take off runway, so I'm allowed to take off now. Flaps almost forgot. I got my flaps. Let's do flaps too. ATC offline. Okay. Mid ATC. He just said Terry rods in the chat. I can show you guys. I can show you. Vertical takeoff with a Boeing. Nope, cannot do a vertical takeoff. Gear up. PTFS has to add gear animation. This is bad. But guys, I will show you. Just wait for the GGs. So, see ATC 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's everything, ATC said. Let's better get in our pre-flight, but I'm going to be back in 3 minutes, so bye. And for now, and it's been 3 minutes. I'm at Perth, so I'm going to start my descent a little. And full flaps. I'm not going to do my butter camera mode because this is going to be a very small airport. So let me tell you guys, the airport is Saba. That's our first destination. We're going to do a little 360. Oh no, I accidentally on advanced. I have legacy handling. Legacy handling is supposed to be like this, yeah. I don't know where we are right now. But we are close to orangey, that's what I know. So let's hold this position for some time. Let's do a camera, get ready. Okay. st.batl, our destination is under us, under. Bro, I'm gonna bust. Whee! Going for a 360 turn. But Saba is currently the smallest airport that I've landed on. I always land at big airports because you guys know I'm a pro. If you want, you guys write in the comments. Do a video in Flight Master. You can write challenges about Flight Master or pilot training, like PTFS. Like in PTFS, do a butter landing with a 747. Or Flight Master, do a butter landing with the smallest plane. We're kinda low. And I'm lagging. We're kinda low and I'm lagging. So I'm lagging and we're kinda low. Bro, is that the airport? Bro, that's small. Now I'm gonna bust. Oh, whoa. Okay. 360. Oh my god. Guys, we're going to go for a turnaround. That's Tokyo right there. So we're going to go over this hill right here. And then, oh, we can make it. We can make it like this. I'm too fast currently. I have tried to land it here in one video, but I didn't make it, so I didn't upload it. But this time I'm going to make it this time. So we are kind of out of approach track. You guys can see these lines. Those are new update approach lines. And they're very helpful, but for my Boeing 747, quite not. Bro, I'm gonna bust if I don't land. Guys, if I don't land this landing, I have to do a butter landing with this plane at Tokyo. If I don't land, if I crash. So I have an idea. I have a plan already. I can't tell you guys, it's a plan. So we're going to go a little bit off track. Okay. So my plan is I'm going to be in the sky off full engines and hold cruise button. So don't just hold my altitude, but my speed. And that's good. Okay, we are going too fast. I think I'm on the wrong side. But still, I'm gonna bust. I don't care if the plane says we're stalling. I don't care about stalls. I just need to make this landing, that's everything. Don't mind the stalls. I think it has been 6 minutes in the video. Or maybe lower. But I have a little bit crosswind on me. I don't know why. I'm not in a private server. I'm on a normal public server. Bro, I hate the stalls. We're still flying. This is going to be hard. This is going to be hard. I'm going to off the engines right in the air before we approach. 1, 2, and 3. Oh no, we're going to not make it. We're not going to make it. Oh, we're going to make it. We're going to make it. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Please move, please move, please move. That cost a lot of money. Oh, but we still made it. If you subscribe and write in the comments, it don't count if it don't count. But like and subscribe and write in the comments, it counts. But I guess that counts. I guess that counts. But I didn't make it. I hit that, but it counts. We're on the runway. I have one problem. How am I going to take off? Yeah, I'm going to come back in 4 minutes. Let's see. So 4 minutes is starting now. Good news, I see the runway. Bad news, I accidentally used advanced. So I'm going to landing a plane with advanced now. That's gonna be bad. But advanced don't feel that bad. It's good, it's good. But it's going to be hard. Bro. This is going to be a bad game. It's standing right here. Bad game, bro. Fucking bro moments. Okay, I'm getting ready to land. So I'm very low right now. I don't know where the airport is. Where's the freaking airport? Guys, I'm not going to make it. Nope, not gonna make it. I'm on a wrong approach. Nah, I can still make it. I'm professional. If you guys think I'm a professional, write in comments and subscribe. If you have already subscribed, just write in comments. Thank you. Guys. Okay. I was lagging. Okay, this is good. Okay, too low. Okay. If I don't make this, I have to butter Tokyo with advanced. Whoa. We kinda low. We are low on fuel, but I'm gonna make this. Yo. High up. I'm gonna make it. And we need so much EBIT. And st.batl, man. Slow. Whoa. I guess I'll call that a butter. That was butter. But that's the end of today's video. If you want to see any recent videos, then tell me in the comments. Thank you. Bye.